Tell you one thing, man, having a passenger, it's different.
When he brakes, you could feel him slowing down. You just grab. Not that I was a passenger.
He was on my bike before I lied. Hey, what's... Goddamn music. What's the quickest way to the highway? Wow, brilliant fucking move. Alright, now since I'm on the same highway I'm always on, first and foremost, we didn't have to get gas today. I lied. I actually got gas before. I didn't film it though. Number two, I didn't put my earplugs in, and I even brought them with me. Rest in peace, eardrums. Oh, it's still windy here too. Golly. Apologize for all the wind, but we need to start this video. So I have a special guest in this video today. Actually, I got two special guests, two of them. Yep. One of them, some of you guys may recognize if you've been here since the beginning. I'm trying to get this dude to ride out for a while. So actually, my second guest is actually right behind me. My first time ever having a passenger, and let me tell you, I'm not gonna bullshit you guys, that shit is scary. I think it's more scary because I've never done it, obviously. Well, that's what usually fear is. Anyway, I warned you, I was like, 9 years riding, I've never had a passenger. Today's gonna be a little more leisurely, a little watered down. I hear a jigster next to me, a very loud one. So I actually got my boy out here too. If you guys have been here since the beginning, you see that we actually did the exhaust on that damn mic that I gotta scream. Get away from him. So we're just getting out for a little quick sprint. I think we're heading to Sausalito. We're going through the back door. My favorite. Wait, that sounded a lot better in my head. Anyway, we're gonna go up through the Golden Gate. Exit just before you hit the Golden Gate. Sausalito's nice. I've been there before. I've eaten before there. There's a really good breakfast spot. If you guys are in the area, Fred's. That's what it's called. It's called Fred's. And they are famous for their millionaire bacon, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I feel so bad for her. Every time we hit a bump, I feel her slide forward. That toilet out there, if you guys ever make it into the Napa area down 37, that toilet is world famous. I don't know if you guys know this, but President Clinton himself deemed that a national monument. Now, I don't know the whole story. I didn't really do too much research on it. It's like a wishing well now, too. You flick a quarter in, you make a wish. What's up?
Gas station or fast food place?
Okay. I don't know if there is a gas station near here. We need to find a gas station ASAP, people. No gas stations here. I don't think we hit a gas station until 101. Oh my goodness. Figure out what you want to do. You okay? Yeah. I was like, oh God, I hope she's not sick. No. I had to watch sometimes. I was like, I saw myself getting past 80. I was like, I don't know if I should be doing 80, and I don't know.
A few moments later.
Getting on my way cellular device. On a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable is this seat? We're heading down to the Sausalito area. I think I mentioned that already. Oh, this video's gonna suck. Not much going on, I guess. Yeah, I still feel bad. I keep feeling her weight move back. She keeps sliding forward. Good old San Francisco. I love boring you guys with San Francisco, because you're probably like, oh my God, this again? This city? Hasn't he had enough? No, I haven't. Gee willikers, hang on. Maybe I can give you a little rev. all that traffic. Not for us. Just go where I want. Go where I want, do what I want. Whole time. Whole time. Oh! Oh my god. Bicycles, man. Get out of the road. Prius, go around them. Prius, go around them. Prius, go around them. Get out of the road. Yeah, I was gonna say, as soon as we start getting down here, start seeing more people, I'm like, someone's gonna pull out front. And then we were lane split, I was like, man, I hope she's ready for this, because I'm just gonna go through everyone. I don't care. Are we not good enough? No, I mean, I can move my bike over. We can move his bike if you want. All right, so we about to walk around real quick. I'm not gonna record because my face is hurting. We're gonna pick this video back up. I don't know if we're going that way or we're going back that way. I guess we'll figure it out.
Several bad puns later.
I'm gonna pull out towards him, so I'm sideways. All right, so we on our way back right now. Just a quick short trip. Out of the way, bicycles. Sucks, I really don't have much to talk about either. Racing daylight home, people. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Very, very boring, but whatever. I'm gonna still post it. Free country, I can do what I want. Sorta, within limit. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do have some more videos coming and planned. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, even though YouTube probably won't notify you if I upload a video. I need all y'all to head over to my Instagram, show me some support there. Trying to stay pretty active with that, updating with the Supra and other bikes and stuff like that. So you guys will see that stuff before it actually hits videos. Well, despite that cat being there, I need all of y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later. Wow, that's a boat.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody, they all heard about it, they know